In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add images in Wix. Whether you're a budding website designer or just looking to spruce up your personal site, knowing how to effectively add images can really elevate the look and feel of your project. So let's dive in and go through this process together step by step. To begin, the first thing you need to do is open your Wix website editor. This is your main space for creating and customizing your site. Think of it as your digital canvas where all your ideas come to life. Once you're here, you're only a few clicks away from enhancing your site with beautiful visuals. Now let's move on to the next step. In the editor, you'll notice a plus icon. This is usually located on the left side of your screen. Go ahead and click on this plus icon. It's essentially your gateway to adding new elements to your site, whether they're images, text, or other media. Don't hesitate to explore more of these options in the future to fully utilize what Wix has to offer. Next up is selecting Image from the drop-down menu. With so many features available, it can be easy to feel a bit lost, but focusing on these key steps will help keep us on track. Clicking Image will open up a new window where you'll have options to either upload your own images or choose from Wix's library of free images. First, let's talk about uploading your images. Clicking on Upload will allow you to browse through images on your computer or device. This option is perfect if you have specific graphics or photos that are unique to your brand or project. Once you select your chosen file, it will be uploaded and added to your site, ready for you to position and customize as needed. Alternatively, if you don't have your own images ready to go, don't worry. Wix offers a fantastic library of free images that are available for use. To do this, simply click on the free Wix images option. Here you can browse through a wide range of high quality images. When you find the perfect one, simply click on it and it will be added to your site, just as easily as if you were uploading your own. And there you have it. In just a few easy steps, you've learned how to add images to your Wix website. Remember, images not only make your site more visually appealing, but also help convey your brand message more clearly. So take your time to choose or create visuals that really speak to your audience. Thanks for joining me today, and happy designing.